Welcome to Cooking with Benson. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a review video for you. We're going to review some hot sauces. I've been wanting to do this for a while. If you watch the First We Feast YouTube channel, Hot Ones, these are some hot sauces that they premiered on their show. You can get them from their website. So I ordered 4 hot sauces. One was called like the Spicy Trio, and then I also ordered this just because I wanted to try it. This is Heartbeat Hot Sauce from Thunder Bay, Ontario. It's blueberry habanero, and these are made in small batches. Because they ferment their peppers. So it came in a bag like this, and then this is the Hot Ones hot sauces. These are specifically made through Hot Ones with the people they
sticker
with the people that they work with. So you do get a sticker, as you've heard. It just says Heatonist. So we ordered the classic, which just it's like a classic red sauce.
We didn't order anything.
I ordered. I'm a hot sauce. I'm a pepper lover. I love hot foods, so I eat a lot of hot sauces and stuff, and I'm always willing to try. Los Calientes. The other one is Hot Ones, the Last Dab XXX. So this isn't even just regular. This is the Last Dab XXX style. So, and in the box it says, "Enjoy your hot sauce made with love in small batches for a spicy life. Hashtag stay spicy." So, that out of the way. Okay, so now I did look at the website. This is from the Heatonist website, and on their scale, the classic is a 2 out of 10.
I was trying to read what the flaps say.
Heatonist.
That doesn't say Heatonist.
Yeah, it does. Heatonist.
Sorry.
So the classic is a 2 out of 10. The blueberry habanero is a 3 out of 10. Los Calientes is a 5 out of 10. And XXX is an 11 out of 10.
Okay, what?
The classic ranges in at 1800 Scoville. Los Calientes ranges in at 49,000 Scoville. And the Last Dab ranges in at 2 million plus Scoville. I couldn't find the blueberry habanero one, so it's good. Well, habanero Scoville scale is anywhere from 100,000 to 350,000, but I imagine they don't use, that's if you were to eat a whole pepper, and they're probably not using a whole pepper in this sauce, so it's probably a lot less than that. So I guess we'll do the classic first, since it's the least hottest of these batches. I am going to do the Last Dab first before I let the child try it, because I'm not going to have them dying from a hot sauce. I don't want that.
Smells good.
Smells good?
I'm not gonna die. Wait, is it possible
so this one
actually to die from hot sauce?
Yes.
Wait, really?
Yeah. So this one is usually people kind of put it next to like sriracha and stuff.
More?
Yes, please.
I wouldn't do a whole lot.
I'm not going to.
You don't even like buffalo sauce. I don't even know why you wanted to do this video. You don't like hot food.
Jordan was such a wimp that he couldn't do it, so I'm doing it. I'm being his replacement for the day.
Messy.
I'm not doing this yet until you two get
You gotta
yours.
get some of the like peppers out.
It's on there.
Like, this is level 2. Let's get
The old
milk.
finger style.
Let's
There you
get
got the
your
milk ready.
hot
Go.
sauce.
Oh yeah, I need more of this. I'll put this on everything.
It's not even as hot as sriracha, actually.
I think
No,
it's
you gotta
fine.
wait till it gets to the back of your throat. It gets a little hot, but
No,
it's
it's
not
hot, but I don't think I would put it in the same category as
I don't even
sriracha.
know.
I feel
I
like
don't
the
like
sriracha.
sriracha, so
Right.
I mean it's not
It's
my
actually
favorite
fine.
taste.
See,
I would eat it.
to me, it has a sriracha-y flavor, just not a hot, like as hot as normal sriracha.
I just
So
don't.
yeah, so that one was good. We got spoons because it was dripping off the other one. Kristen was saying she would eat that one on eggs. I could definitely eat on eggs. Yeah, it would be.
Tacos, spaghetti.
It's too red saucy for me to be a taco sauce.
Ooh,
Oh yeah, I will say I like the lid to this one. It's a lot more. Yeah,
the verde smell.
I like the lid to this one more because it's metal.
If this is a spicy verde, I'll eat that on everything too.
It smells just like just like a good verde
It
sauce.
smells strange. I don't
smells
like this.
strange.
I don't like the smell of that.
I don't know how much to give her.
I know, that's perfectly fine. She doesn't need a
How much do
ton.
you want?
I don't need a ton, I'm just tasting it.
With this? Yes, give him the whole spoonful of it.
Alright, there you go. That's how much I'm having. Yeah.
Well, our
It's like the green salsa you can get.
yeah,
verde
verde
salsa.
salsa.
Yeah.
Hopefully it tastes great because I'll eat it all the time.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Go.
I'm too afraid.
Ooh.
Oh, I like that too. I don't think that one is as spicy as this one though.
Yeah.
Really? I thought that one was, this one's definitely more spicy than this one. This one's nicer because it's sweet.
Maybe that's why. Because it doesn't taste as spicy as that one did when it hit the back of my throat.
I agree.
Alright, so Kristen was saying she would definitely eat this on some tacos, and I would agree. This would be great on a breakfast burrito, any kind of tacos, this would be great on. I mean, this one is definitely hotter than that one. Ooh, don't do that to me. I'll eat chorizo tacos tonight. But I'll say, you know, it's been less than 2 minutes and the heat's there, but it's gone.
It is.
This is a good one. I like this one because it's sweet on the beginning, but it's got a good vinegary taste to it.
I just tasted the sweet, but I like verde sauce, so that one was better than the first one.
Oh yeah, no, that one's better than the first one.
I still feel like that one was a little bit more spicy, but I think it's because it hit me straight in the back of my throat.
So the next one we're gonna do is the blueberry habanero. I don't smell blueberry in there at all. What is that? It has like a tomatoey smell.
I was about to say that, it's tomato.
Bottoms up.
It wasn't spicy. I mean, it's there afterwards, but...
Yeah, I mean, no, it's one of those things where the heat builds. It's not supposed to be like, oh my god, I'm gonna die all of a sudden. I will say...
The end was like that.
So, for this to be 49,000 Scoville and be a 5 out of 10, this to be a 3 out of 10, I would say...
That was spicier.
I don't think it was. I would say I think it's accurate, actually. I mean, so far, they've gone least hottest to hottest.
See, I feel like this one is a little bit hotter than this one.
Yeah. And I mean, it may just be the way the flavors play with your tongue and stuff.
Maybe.
What would this be good on, though? This would be good on pork.
Yeah.
This has a sweet flavor. It would be good on pork.
Like how you pair pork with apples and stuff, yeah.
Yeah. It'd be good on pork. Or chicken. It would be good on a chicken, too.
Depends on how you cook the chicken.
Yeah, like not fried chicken, but like...
No.
Like a grilled breast or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be good on chicken.
A chicken sandwich.
Alright. This one's the death sauce.
Nope.
This one is 2 million Scovilles.
Wish we had those samples.
Does it smell like 2 million Scovilles?
Can
It smells like tacos.
Does it really?
Like, can I smell it?
That's weird. It doesn't smell spicy.
It smells very cuminy.
Yeah, it doesn't smell spicy.
Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't do that. Oh, I got some on my lip.
I totally touched my nose with it.
It touched my lip and I was like, nope.
It definitely smells like a lot of cumin.
It smells good. I don't know why, but that actually kind of smells good.
Reshake it up just to be safe, but...
Why are you breaking the rules? You were just saying reshake it up.
Put it on there.
Am I doing this? But first you gotta try it, right?
Okay.
Is that enough?
We'll see.
We're doing dabs on these because I don't know. I mean, so far the other ones... Ooh, that was probably a dumb idea.
Too much?
That's...
A lot.
Mine.
No. Look at that tiny bit of wasabi.
That's what it looks like, is wasabi. It looks like runny baby poop.
Runny, yeah, peas. Baby peas.
Alright.
Okay,
Ready?
do your thing. I'm doing the signal.
Hang
on, I gotta ring it in my ear.
Stop stalling.
Okay, alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Does it taste good? I
mean, it's warm.
If you murder me with
It's definitely hot.
I mean, it's
don't
building, like a little bit.
Yeah, no, it's building. I don't like the flavor.
No, it tastes bad.
I'll try
That's
it.
gross.
I wouldn't put that on anything.
Uh-uh.
Because it doesn't taste good. Like, the heat is there, but I don't even like the stuff that's so overly hot that it's, like, taking over your mouth. And that's essentially what this is doing right now.
This is not even as hot as the end.
Yeah.
So I tried a hot sauce in Tennessee called the End, and it hit over 6 million Scovilles. That was hot.
It was just hot to be hot.
This one's hot. Yeah, that one's just hot to be hot for no other reason whatsoever. This one, the heat keeps building. It's definitely there. It's got a terrible flavor.
I'll try it.
It smells good.
I don't mind.
I don't even think it smells great.
It does. It smells good. It doesn't taste good, though.
definitely hot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely
Way
hot.
hotter than the rest.
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna want to try that.
Me?
Yeah, this one's... I think this one might be too much for you.
I mean, if you want to try it, you try a teeny tiny bit.
I can do teeny tiny bit.
She wants a teeny tiny bit.
Like extra small.
Like rub it on there.
That's good,
way
that's
funny.
good, that's good, that's good.
That's all she's getting. Woo!
That's enough,
Trust me, that's more than enough.
I'm scared. Hey, why are you drinking my milk? Get out of my milk. Who said you could touch my milk?
I just blew almond milk up my nose because of you.
Hey, stay out
Yeah,
of the
it's
milk.
still building. It's
You
definitely
have
still
your
building.
own cup. What is wrong with you?
It's definitely still building.
Stop stalling.
I'm not stalling.
I mean, you can stall all
I'm
you
just.
want.
I'm a child. I'm allowed to stall for.
You can stall all you want. It's not,
Hey,
it's
what is
not
with you
good.
been stealing my milk?
It's so... The heat's
Is there
definitely
still
there.
milk in here?
Yes.
Good.
That milk didn't even.
I would never buy that hot sauce again. The
Is
other
this
three,
worse than wasabi?
100% would buy again. Though that one,
Is
ugh.
this worse than wasabi?
Mm-hmm.
I've had wasabi before. It's pretty good. Though.
Just do it if you're gonna do it. If you're not, then put the spoon away.
Scared.
If you're not, just give it to me, you wussy.
Suck it, Jordan.
Holy cow.
Ooh. I bet this cleans grease off a carport. Okay. I've seen
got it
people in
now.
hot ones be like, oh, that's got good flavor. Those celebrities are
Their
lying.
taste
That's
buds are broken.
That is not a good sauce. It tastes like garbage.
What rating do you give it?
In what? Flavor or heat?
Flavor.
Flavor?
Give it a 2. It's bad.
Oh,
What
I give
about-
it negative 10.
Pepper
What about
X, chocolate pepper X, and peach pepper X.
Chocolate? Did you?
That's probably why it tastes like crap. It does have cumin in it.
Did you say it has human in it?
I can smell the cumin.
Human?
Ginger
Cumin.
root,
Oh.
turmeric, turmeric,
Stealing my milk.
coriander, cumin, and
I
dried
still have the
mustard.
taste in my
That
mouth.
spoon, stop rubbing it on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get something to drink and try and get the heat out of my mouth. It's probably gonna take 10 minutes to die down.
2 outside to get the
We have
hose.
nasal napalm.
Will recommend this, will recommend this, and will recommend this. So, Los Calientes, classic,
To the dose.
blueberry. That one, I'm gonna give it to people to try,
To the garbage can.
especially if I
Who
don't
don't?
like them. It just doesn't have good flavor at all. The other two are great.
Feed that
Sucks
to
I
your
spent money on that
worst
third
enemies.
bottle though. Ugh.
Yeah, we could have picked something else.
Yeah, they have some other stuff in there we might try too though.
Yay.
Anyways,
Part 2.
this is our like not great review of
It was a fine review. There was
of hot
only
ones
one thing
of
that
the
was
sauces have been hot ones. So again, this one is Heartbeat hot sauce. It's blueberry habanero. It's sweet. Would work great on pork and grilled chicken. Los Calientes is like a spicy verde tacos, breakfast burritos. The classic eggs, maybe some ramen,
bad. Rice.
rice.
Rice?
Um,
You could probably mix this in if you make like homemade salsa. You could probably put that
Little
in
heat
the
from
salsa.
that.
Yeah.
It would work great.
Ooh, or in guacamole.
That would give a little heat to your guac, yeah. Actually, I think I'd do Los Calientes in my guac because that
Yeah.
matches the flavors a little bit more.
Burritos.
This garbage,
Don't do it.
I mean, you could flavor a pot of chili with like a drop if you're just looking for heat, but flavor-wise, it's not good. It doesn't... I don't know. I love cumin, and I put a lot of cumin in a lot of stuff.
It tastes how it looks.
Yeah. Like
Feed
baby
this to
poop
your
probably
least favorite
tastes.
people.
Anyway, so if you guys enjoyed this Cooking with Benson feud, I can't even spit my tongue.
It is a feud.
My tongue's like flopping on me.
Sorry.
Food review. 3 good hot sauces out of 4. The trio pack was $40. That's the Los Calientes, the classic, and the Last Dab. and the
Last
Heartbeat, I believe, was $10 for the bottle. So I mean, they're pretty expensive hot sauces, and I've had better for cheaper, even in all three categories. In fact, I think I paid $14 for Gordon Ramsay's. It was a Christmas set, and it's supposed to be the Hell's Kitchen Christmas set. I believe I got better hot sauces out of that. I think I only paid $14 for all 4 bottles. They were smaller bottles, but better sauces. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed it. So, quick update real quick. I ended the video maybe 30 seconds ago. I still have the heat there, but for the most part, it's nowhere near as bad as it was. So I'd say it's probably a 2-minute heat, and then it kind of nullifies itself out. Right now, it's like I ate sriracha, maybe a spicy sriracha.
Take a deep breath.
Took a deep breath. But yeah, the heat actually goes away after a few minutes. So I would say if you're not a hot sauce eater, that's not a good thing. Now I would say she's not a hot sauce eater. She eats buffalo sauce. Like, she whines with buffalo sauce, and it's like baby hot sauce. And she kind of took the XXX, no big deal. Didn't give her a ton of it, but it was enough to light her up. And
Finish that whole thing of milk.
yeah, how are you feeling?
I mean, it's still like showering my mouth.
Yeah.
But it tastes fine by now because it's like lowered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, there you go. Just want to give you that.
The
after the fact.
last dab.
We now have a close-in for this videos, for my Cooking with Benson videos. Jordan actually gave it to me, so this is how we're going to close Cooking with Benson. See you in the kitchen.